Hello everyone, and in this video I'll discuss about Starling bank saving spaces, but first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So saving spaces helps you keep your money separate, so you won't accidentally spend your savings. These spaces visually track your progress towards specific financial goals. Here's why they are beneficial. Easy handling. You can move money in and out of spaces with a few taps or use Starling's split payment tool for smart distribution across different spaces and accounts. Automatic savings. You can activate the rounds up feature to automatically round up your spending to the nearest pound, channeling the spare change to your chosen space. Personalized touch. You can add a name and a photo to your space for a personal touch that keeps your financial goals in sight. Well-ordered view. You can arrange your spaces as you prefer and receive notification for balance changes. This flexibility ensures a clear and up-to-date overview of your savings. And there we have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.